Hello, you beautiful and hungry people. My name is Khause, and I'm going to be the host of Chaos Kitchen. I just want to let you know that after a 4-year hiatus and 7 months of waiting, I will be airing Chaos Kitchen on my YouTube channel once again. Now, the goal of Chaos Kitchen is to bring people together. I know that the community has been in disarray for quite some time, and I want to fix that as best as I can. Now, food is the sustenance of life. It draws people together, whether it be eating, baking, creating, or sharing on Instagram. Now, I can't do it without your help. Well, I could, but it'd just make things a lot more difficult. My goal is to create different types of foods, ethnic included. So, if you have a favorite dish that's ethnical or one that you enjoy eating as a kid, drop it down in the comments below. And who knows, I might end up on Chaos Kitchen. And with that being said, I just wanted to introduce myself to you as your new host for Chaos Kitchen. And I hope to see you on the flip side. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more updates. And remember, life's no fun without a little chaos.